there, good looking people. It's your girl Patrice, and I'm going back to the board to share something that I teach to the folks in my business accelerator for new consultants. So if you're a new consultant, you already have an idea, of course, about your services and your target market. And so I always ask folks to remember to promote, position, and to partner. So when you're promoting your business, of course, you're already clear about the who and how and the alignment of your services with your target market. You already know, hopefully, how to operationalize, because once you're promoting, you need to be able to ramp up and provide services to the additional clients that you're going to bring in. And of course, you want to be able to speak in your client's language when you're promoting your services. You already have a few clients, so you already have an idea of the way they describe your services or the way they describe their pain points. So of course you want to position your business, and of course positioning means that you are differentiating yourself, you're standing out, and you're doing it in a strategic way, a consistent way, because you want to really take up a certain amount of mental real estate or a certain type of mental real estate. What do they think about when they think about your business or your services? And of course you want to partner. It needs to be complementary. So you want to partner with other consultants or freelancers that are doing complementary work. And of course you want to be collaborative. You want to do it in such a way that it was excellent experience and excellent outcome for both your collaborators and for the client that you guys are joining together to serve. Because you never know, they may decide to hire you for a completely different project.